In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in Xero. If you've already received a customer payment and just need to update the invoice in Xero, this is a quick and important task to know. Recording the payment properly helps keep your accounts accurate, updates the invoice status, and makes sure your bank and reporting stay organized. To begin, open your Xero dashboard and make sure you are logged into the correct organization. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top menu and select Sales from the drop-down that appears. Choose Invoices. This will take you to the area where all of your customer invoices are listed. Next, go to the Awaiting Payment tab. This section shows invoices that have been sent out but have not yet been fully marked as paid in the system. Browse through the list and find the specific invoice you want to update. If you have a lot of invoices, take a moment to confirm you are opening the correct one before making any changes. Then click on the invoice to open it. Once the invoice is open, look to the top right corner of the invoice screen and click Add Payment. This opens the Record Payment section, where you'll enter the details of the payment you received. Here, you will need to fill in the date paid. Make sure this matches the actual date the payment was received, since this can affect your reporting and account reconciliation. After that, choose the account where the money went. In most cases, this would be the business bank account or checking account that received the funds. Then enter the amount paid. If the customer paid the full balance, the amount should match the total due. If they only made a partial payment, adjust the amount so it reflects exactly what was received. Before saving, it's always a good idea to quickly review the payment details for accuracy. This helps avoid mistakes and ensures the invoice record matches your real payment activity. When everything looks correct, click the Record Payment button. As soon as you do that, Xero will update the invoice and its status will instantly change to paid if the full amount has been entered. If a partial payment was recorded, the invoice will continue to show the remaining balance still due. And that's it. Thanks for watching.